Well, I got them some feed out here because I was feeling guilty. They might be hungry. Old boy over here wants some bird feed. You want bird feed? Y'all interested in that? You want some of that? I don't think I better give you none of that. Hang on, I got you something. Just hang on. Don't you be opening that. See that gate? He knows exactly how to take his nose and open that if he wants to. He ain't no dummy. Are you? Say I ain't no dummy. Look at him. He wants a cracker. He wants a cracker. Ooh, buddy, that wind's chilly. Ain't you glad you got a coat on? He's getting older, so his nice fluffy old coat ain't coming in like it used to. Usually has a nice fluffy white coat, and it's not fluffy. So this first year he had to put a coat on. Gonna be cold tonight. I'm sorry, I'd let you in the house. I would. They'll have fit, but I'd let you come in there and sit down. Your ears are warm. You gonna let me get cockleburs out, bud? Look at these dogs, all jealous. All jealous. Come on, we gotta let the birds come out here and eat too. Love y'all. Have a blessed day.